seen the sunrise high in Asia. I've seen the sun go down in Spain. Walked through forests, deserts, and rice fields, and I seen the lightning, felt the rain. I swam in lakes, rivers, and oceans, danced in snow, grass, and sand. Heard how the autumn winds were blowing as they moved across the lake. And I say, beauty of this world, beauty of this world, oh, beauty of this world is in your eyes. And I've eaten food from nature's gardens. I have seen your rainbow in the sky. I drank the water from your mountains, and I smoked your herbs and I got high. I traveled across all of your continents. I've seen volcanoes, walked on ice. I've surfed the ocean, holy waters, and right now I'm in paradise. Yes, I say, beauty of this world, beauty of this world, oh, beauty of this world is in your eyes. And I found my love on a sunny island. Yes, I've been lost in Amsterdam. All those cobble streets, they got me thinking. This world made me who I am. As I say, beauty of this world, beauty of this world, oh, beauty of this world.